Toyota's latest generation audio multimedia platform includes a huge list of great entertainment, convenience, and connectivity features. To enjoy many of these features, drivers must first connect their mobile devices to the vehicle through Bluetooth. For most drivers, this step will be handled during initial enrollment, so be sure to watch the registration video to learn more about that process. First, you'll need to pair the device and vehicle. On the vehicle's touchscreen, select the Settings section, and then Bluetooth and Devices. Then select Search for Devices, or add another device if there are already existing devices. Select OK on the pop-up, and then choose the device from the list. A code will appear on both the vehicle display and the mobile device. Confirm that it matches, and then select OK. At this point, the device is paired, but the process will continue through additional steps for setting up the Toyota app, as well as Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. If no driver profiles are saved or active, this pairing process will occur with the vehicle in guest mode. The process is the same when a saved driver profile is active, except that after confirming the code, an extra prompt will appear asking if you'd like to tie the device to the profile. Just select Yes, and the device will now be used to load the profile whenever it's recognized during vehicle startup. Once a device is paired to the vehicle, it can be connected manually by selecting the Settings icon on the vehicle's touchscreen, then Bluetooth and Devices. Now choose the device from the list and select Connect. On this screen, you can also unpair the device by selecting Forget, as well as manage its settings, including which services it provides, how its contacts are displayed, whether it operates in Do Not Disturb mode, and much more. And that's a quick look at Bluetooth pairing for Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform. To learn more, visit toyota.com/audio multimedia.